Hello, Sagermeister here, and today I am doing a tutorial on what I'm going to call Runic Summon. And I'm doing this on the Princess of Alexandria event, the last boss fight, Ice Cavern, Waterfall Elite against Black Waltz #1. And what this combo entails is using Celes, or Celes, however her name's pronounced, special soul break with Soul Sabre. It's called Runic Blade. You use this in conjunction with either a powerful caster or summoner or whatever, and I'm going to be using it with Ifrit, or Ifrit, however it's pronounced, and FFIX. So what I'm going to do is friend summon Celes to my caster and use FFIX, and then each time the enemies will cast a single target black magic spell on my caster, it should restore an ability usage of either FFIX or Ifrit, which should let me keep infinite casting. So I haven't actually tried this out myself yet, but when I first talked about this strategy on the Reddit on the subreddit that I moderate, a lot of people used this strategy, had a lot of success, didn't have to use Vit 0 or anything like that. So let's give it a try here. Now, one of the things to note is this does only work with single target black magic spells cast by the enemy. And I'm going to go ahead and open up with FFIX, so that way I have like an ability usage already missing, so if she gets attacked before then, I'll be good to go. Alright, so now I'm gonna friend summon Celes on her. So there you go, you saw she got attacked, so hopefully that'll restore FFIX so I can do another 9,099 attack. Nope, got Ifrit. It's a random slot, but I'll take it. It also mitigates all the damage that they're doing, so that's also useful. Ooh, FFIX. Make sure that you fire break or magic break the boss once you're down to just the C line, because he has a very powerful AoE ability. Also, sorry about the timing of this video. I know by now most people have probably already done this fight, but been kind of busy. And there we go. That's all there is to it. So I think I got 2 casts of Phoenix there and 3 casts of Ifrit, which isn't terrible considering, you know, I only came in there with 1 cast of each, and did a lot of work in that fight, as you saw, so it's definitely something to consider if you're having trouble with this fight. If you manage to see this before the event ends, I apologize again. By the timing, there's less than 24 hours left in this event, I believe. But yeah, hopefully this will be applicable in future fights as well, so if another fight comes up that this strategy can be milked against, I'll upload another video of that. Thanks for watching. Come visit us over at the Final Fantasy Record Keeper subreddit, which I will put in the comments. Great community, strategies, guides, everything you could ever need to be good at this game. Thank you.